Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for DraftKings. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so one thing to note, you can't really get a gift card for DraftKings online, but you can get one on offline. So to get a gift card for DraftKings, yeah, we've got a few options here. So you can buy a prepaid Visa MasterCard gift card, and you can purchase one of these from retailers such as Walmart, Target, or online stores. Once you have the card, you can link it to your DraftKings account like any other debit or credit card to fund your account. You've got third-party gift card providers, so some websites offer DraftKings gift cards directly, though this is less common. Check sites like Raised or Gift Card Granny for possible options, but always ensure the provider is trustworthy. Also, DraftKings promotions themselves. So, DraftKings occasionally run promotions where you might receive a gift card or bonus funds as part of a special offer or event. These may include deposit bonuses or referral rewards. Also, you can reach out to DraftKings support and ask them or inquire if they offer any gift cards or other alternative methods to deposit funds. They have promotional or seasonal offerings. All right, so I'm on Google here and I've just typed in DraftKings gift cards, so you can purchase on offline. So I'm at DraftKingsCard.com, and it'll say make it rain here and purchase your $25 or $50 DraftKings card at a retailer near you. So if we go check that link out, so find a DraftKings gift card and get in the game. So you can buy a gift card at a convenient retail location near. So you got a 7-Eleven, Sheets, Speedway, Dollar General, Circle, etc. So these places may stock these DraftKings gift cards. I suggest to give them a call before you head down and pick one up, just in case they might have sold out or they don't stock it near a location near yourself. Or if you come to this site, you can click on any one of these links and that will direct you to their site, and they might be able to tell you if there's any gift cards available near you as well.